access your Google admin screen to change student passwords. So the first way is right here. If you notice, I'm already signed into Google, and you'll notice this little quilt here. If I click on that, and you'll see I've got my drive there. If I go to the bottom, I have more, and then I go to the admin screen that way. So there it is there. I click on that and it'll get me to a screen something like this. Now your screen's going to look a bit different because you'll only have this user button, so that should be the only thing that you find there. So the other way that you can get in to this same admin screen is by just clicking. If I go to admin.google.com, that'll bring you to the same screen where you will get once again, you'll only have this users button there and not all of these other ones. If in the future you might consider having the device management, which will allow you to add apps for any student or teacher signed into the Fessenden account. I think that we should give that a thought for later, but right now you can just get familiar with using the users there. So I'm going to click on users, and these are all the users for my organization, but I've set you to just users for Fessenden. So all you would do is type the student's name in. Let's say I'm going to type yours in, and it should come up. Sorry, I'm having trouble with that one. And you can see you can scroll down and look for those, or the best way to do it is just to search for a student's name. So I'm going to, I have a student in mind, and if you have their username, then you can just click on there, and you will only have this button right here, this change password. You're not going to have all of this other stuff. So if you go to the reset password, you'll be able to type in a password. It has to be at least 8 characters long, and then you will probably be unclicking, leaving this unclicked so that they don't have to change their password once they get in. So if you have any questions from there, just tell me and I'll try and create another video. Thanks.